Today, I'll show you how to create digital clones for your music videos using the glowing doubles effect in CapCut PC. This effect is perfect for adding a futuristic, glitchy vibe to your edits. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and make sure you are in the body effect tab. Search for glowing doubles. This effect creates glowing duplicates of your subject, making it look like they have digital clones following them. Once you find the effect, drag and drop it onto your video. You'll immediately see multiple glowing versions of your subject appear on the screen, giving your video an energetic, cyber look. Now, let's fine tune the effect. On the right side editing panel, you'll find several sliders. Color, adjust the hue to match your video's theme. Try neon blues, reds, or greens for a futuristic feel. Twist, adds a slight rotation distortion to the clones, making them look more dynamic. Horizontal moves the clones left or right, letting you control their positioning. Strength adjusts how intense the effect appears. Size controls the scale of the digital duplicates. Play around with these settings until you achieve the perfect digital clone effect, and that's it. You've successfully added digital clones to your music video using CapCut PC. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick CapCut PC editing tricks.